All right, in this DIYNate video, I'm going to show you another iPhone pointer for you on how to sign a document. You probably have many documents coming your way, and iPhone has got some great features where you can do this. So I'm actually going to pull up a PDF that is a document here that I've emailed to myself. You probably get people sending you stuff like this. And I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom here where it's asking for my signature. And so what I'm going to do on this is, if you follow along, in the top right corner there is a little pointer. And with that, I'm going to select the black mark here, and I'm going to sign my name. And sometimes you can turn off the marker for a minute and slide over, give yourself a little more room, turn the marker back on. And now I've done my signature. And so with that, now I need to take it and I'm going to do what we've done in some of my other videos, which is we're going to save it to files. And so in this case, I'm going to save to files. I'm going to put it in my files for PDF. We'll go to our files PDF. And we'll look for that document. Here it is. And here's my signed PDF. Yep, still in PDF form, so I'm good to go there. I'm going to email it back to myself, assuming it's going to let it go through. It might be too big, but I think we're in good shape. And I'm going to hit send. And just like that, I've completed signing a document that looked like it was going to be fairly difficult to do without having to reuse a printer, which is pretty awesome. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. A lot more to come, but really appreciate you watching my DIYNate videos. You can see the email just came through. I'll get this over to the bank and be done with an item for my side business where we rent properties out and manage those on the side.